I don't even know these words. I can't even say this. Isn't this what happens when you speak English? I'm sure many of you have faced similar challenges, but have used simple English words and moved on. Using unnatural English, that might not be exactly like what native speakers use, but can still be understood, is okay if we use English as a tool. Since most of our conversations consist of explaining things through the explanatory text of the words and phrases mentioned here, a small sense of the English language may be refined. This is an attempt to do so. Reading practice. For speaking. Read silently or aloud, as if you were explaining it to someone else. Audio will be without repetition, with a brief pause between each chunk or sentence.
Fireworks. A firework is something that makes a lot of light and sound. When you burn it. People use fireworks to celebrate special days or events. A firework is like a small box that has some chemicals inside. When you light a firework, the chemicals start to burn, and make a lot of heat and gas. The gas pushes the firework into the air, and then it explodes into different colors and shapes. Sometimes, fireworks can also make loud noises, like bangs or whistles. Little containers of powder that are ignited to make colorful sparks and loud noises in the sky. The main ideas are that fireworks are small explosive devices that create flashes of light, loud bangs, and colorful bursts. When ignited and launched into the sky, for enjoyment at occasions and events. A firework is a device that creates a colorful and loud display in the sky. It's made of a tube or a shell that contains gunpowder and other materials. When you ignite a firework, the gunpowder burns and produces hot gases. That launch the firework into the air. Then, the firework explodes. And releases different colors and effects. Some fireworks can also make sounds like pops or crackles. A firework is a type of explosive device that's designed to produce vibrant lights, various patterns, and loud noises. When ignited, they are launched into the sky and create a visually stunning display. Leaving everyone in awe of the colorful and dazzling show. Small containers have powders inside. That make bright flashes and bangs. When a flame touches them, the powders burn fast and make reds, greens, blues and other nice colors. Explode high up. Professionals plan the order of the sky lights to form pictures or moving shapes against the dark. It looks really fun. Special powder mixtures in tubes or shells explode high up. when a flame is put to them. Inside are fast-burning chemicals that create bright flashes, sparks and bangs. Different powders make different colored lights. Like red, green and blue. Some explode with a big boom, while others burst into tiny glittering pieces. Professionals can set off many lights in a planned sequence to pictures or moving shapes against the dark sky. Fireworks are special explosives that make bright, colorful lights in the sky. On some holidays and celebrations, people light fireworks displays. Fireworks come in all different shapes and sizes. Some fireworks explode with a big boom and flash of light. These are called loud fireworks. Other fireworks don't explode so loudly, but make pretty patterns of colored lights in the sky. Sparklers are a type of small firework that burns with a sparkly light. You can write your name in the air with a sparkler.